Hello and welcome back to Fusion 360 beginners exercises. Today we are going to make the simple exercises. The units are in inches, so first we will come to the document setting and I will change the units to inches. Okay, and we will draw a box of 2 by 2 inches and the extrusion is 1.5. Sketch, choose a plane, sketch like this. This is 2 inch, this one is 2. Press pull, select the region and say 1.5 inch. You have done. Next, to create this cutout, select any face and make sure that you define the sketch well. So choose this face, sketch on it. For this cutout, I will draw a corner rectangle like this. Dimensioned it 1 and 1. Dimension the sketch. This region is 1 and this is also 1, and finish the sketch. Now this extrusion cutout is, you can see over here, 1.5. Select the region and drag it minus 1.5 and say OK. At last, this hole diameter is 0.5 and 0.5 is the location from both of the walls. Choose this face, sketch, add a circle like this, dimension, this is 0.5, from here till here this is 0.5, and from here till here this is 0.5 and say OK. Extrude, choose the region, drag it like this to create a cut and say OK. Appearance, drag this color and you have done. Thanks for watching.